Meaning of grapevine.
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 Grapevine. The term grapevine refers to an informal method of communication or information sharing within a social network. It involves the exchange of rumors, gossip, and hearsay among individuals who have a shared interest or connection. This type of communication is often considered unreliable and can spread misinformation or distorted facts. In some cases, the grapevine can be a valuable source of information, such as in organizations where formal communication channels are limited. However, it can also lead to misunderstandings, mistrust, and other negative outcomes if not managed effectively.